one. This is 21. Okay. Good morning, children. Today discussed topic is a periodic property. Periodic property. Yesterday and we have discussed SPDF flags. SPDF flags. The definition of periodic property. The repetition of properties of elements. Repetition of properties of elements. Regular intervals of periodic table. Regular intervals of periodic table. It is a periodic property. This phenomena is a periodicity. This phenomena is a periodicity. Once again, the repetition of properties of elements. Repetition of properties of elements. Regular intervals of the periodic table. Very, very important this word. Very, very important. Regular intervals. Regular intervals of periodic table. The repetition of properties of elements. Regular intervals of periodic table. This is a periodic property, and this phenomena is a periodicity. Periodicity. In periodicity, various groups and periods. Groups and periods. Various groups and periods of, and first one is a atomic size. First one is a atomic size, and second one is a ionization energy, and third one is a electronegativity, and fourth one is a electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. Okay, this is a periodic property. The regular intervals of periodic table are the repetition of properties of elements. Repetition of properties of elements. Regular intervals of periodic table. It is a periodic property. This phenomena is a periodicity. This phenomena is a periodicity. In generally, the periodic properties, various groups and periods of atomic size. Second one, ionization energy, and also third one, electronegativity, and fourth one, electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. This is a today discussed about is only atomic size and ionization energy. Atomic size and ionization energy. Okay. First one, atomic size. Atomic size. What is the meaning of atomic size? This is a one atom. This is a nucleus. This is a outermost orbital. Outermost orbital. The distance in between nucleus and outermost orbitals is a atomic size. Atomic size. The distance in between nucleus and outermost orbital, this place is a, this radius is a atomic size or atomic radius. Atomic radius. First of all, atomic size varies in groups. various in groups. In generally atomic size groups in top to bottom. Top to bottom. In generally T means top and B means bottom. Top to bottom atomic size is increases. Atomic size is increases due to increasing the atomic number. Increasing the atomic number. In generally, first of all, first group is a hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. And second one is a beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and it is a radium. In generally, lithium is a atomic number. So hydrogen is a 1, lithium 3, sodium is a 11, potassium is a 19, and rubidium is a 37, and 55, and 81. This is a, in generally, hydrogen is a 1. This is a small atomic size. And lithium 3, and sodium, and potassium, and rubidium, and cesium, and francium. In generally groups top to bottom atomic size or atomic radius increases due to increasing the atomic number. The reason R means reason, increase the atomic number, increase the atomic number. And this one completed. Atomic size groups top to bottom atomic size is increases. Reason, increasing the atomic number. Next one, periods. In generally periods left to right. This is a periodic table. These are also groups. Groups generally top to bottom, and periods is a left to right. This is a periods and this is a groups. The groups are available in top to bottom. The periods are in left to right. And left to right, atomic size is a decreases. Due to reason. R means reason. Increases the nuclear charge or nucleus. Increasing the nucleus. ఇది ఒక్కటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. మిగతా టోటల్ గా మీకు వచ్చేస్తాయి. Atomic size, the distance between nucleus and outermost orbital, the radius is a atomic size. Various in groups. In generally groups top to bottom atomic size is increases. Due to reason is a increasing the atomic number. And periods left to right atomic size is decreases and increasing the nucleus or nuclear charge. Nucleus is increases. ఇది ఒక్కటి వస్తే మిగతా ఎన్ని వస్తాయి మనకి? అయనైజేషన్ ఎనర్జీ and electronegativity and electron gain enthalpy, the quite opposite of atomic size. చూడండి, see this second one, ionization energy. ఓకేనా? జనరల్ గా మనం అయనైజేషన్ ఎనర్జీ సెకండ్ టాపిక్ తీసుకున్నాం. కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ దీని థర్డ్ టాపిక్ లో చెప్తాం, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో చెప్తా అయనైజేషన్ ఎనర్జీ గురించి. జస్ట్ డెఫినేషన్ మాత్రం చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, అయనైజేషన్ ఎనర్జీ, ద మాక్సిమం ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్, ద మాక్సిమం ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ రిమూవింగ్ ఆఫ్ వన్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్, removing of one electron. In generally this is a atom, this is a atom, this is a required energy, this is a required energy, this is a removing of electron, removing of electron. The maximum energy is applied, the maximum energy is used removing of one electron. It is a ionization energy. The simple, the basic banda గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి మీరు ఒకటి, removing of one electron, removing of one electron is a ionization energy. It is a required energy. The maximum energy is required removing of one electron, removing of one electron, isolated gaseous atom is called ionization energy, ionization energy. First of all, in ionization energy, in first one groups, first one groups, in generally top to bottom, top to bottom ionization energy is decreases, ionization energy is decreases due to reason. This is a one atom, boron, sorry, this is a nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and this is a bismuth. Nitrogen is a small atomic size, this is a fifth group elements, and this is a phosphorus, this is a arsenic, this is a antimony, and this is a bismuth, and this is a nucleus, this is a nucleus. చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. This is a nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. This topic is discussed ionization energy. Ionization energy means removing of one electron, removing of one electron, required energy is a ionization energy. In generally this is a nucleus, this is a outermost orbital. The nucleus and outermost orbital distance is a less, distance is a less, and this is a nucleus and outermost orbital, the distance is more. In generally nucleus and outermost orbital, the distance is approximately generally 1 centimeter. This is a 2 centimeter, this is a 3 centimeter, this is a 4 centimeters, this is a 5 centimeters. The distance between nucleus and outermost orbital, the distance is less. Less distance is a more attraction, more attraction. In more attraction, the removing of one energy, one electron is a required energy is a more, required energy is a more. But in this nucleus and outermost orbital distance is more, more distance is a less attractions, easily removing of one electron. This is a more attractions, less attraction, less attractions, less attractions, and less attractions. In groups top to bottom, attractions is decreases, attractions is decreases. Also the removing of one electron is energy is decreases due to ionization energy is decreases from groups top to bottom, top to bottom. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమైతుందంటే నైట్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి కేంద్ర న్యూక్లియస్ కి అవుటర్ మోస్ట్ కి మధ్య దూరం అనేది తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది, లెస్ డిస్టెన్స్, లెస్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇస్ మోర్ అట్రాక్షన్స్. ఇక్కడ దీని నుండి ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాన్ తీయాలంటే కొద్దిగా ఎక్కువ శక్తి అవసరం, ఇక్కడ తక్కువ, ఇక్కడ ఇంకా తక్కువ, ఇక్కడ ఇంకా తక్కువ, ఇక్కడ ఇంకా తక్కువ. అంటే ద ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆఫ్ టాప్ టు బాటమ్, ద అయనైజేషన్ ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ డిక్రీజెస్ ఇన్ గ్రూప్స్ టాప్ టు బాటమ్. ద రీజన్ ఈజ్ ఏ atomic size, atomic size increases. Atomic size is increases. And second one, this is a groups completed. Next one, periods. Periods. In generally, periods left to right. Left to right. In left to right, ionization energy is increases. Ionization energy is increases. In generally, this is a left. And scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper, and zinc. This is a same size, and this is a, but atomic size is decreases due to this is a nucleus small and big nucleus and big nucleus and big nucleus and nucleus and nucleus and nucleus and nucleus and nucleus. In generally, scandium nucleus is a small size and zinc nucleus is a big size. The nucleus is increases, so atomic size is decreases. Atomic size is decreases due to in this zinc orbital the removing of one electron is a more energy due to ionization energy left to right increases. Left to right increases due to next, this is a reason is a nuclear charge is a increases. Nuclear charge is a increases. Nuclear charge